Welcome to TBCS. Welcome to TBCS. I'm Tanvir. Today I'm here for explaining the future type talk, the commitment type talk. You are the country director of a multinational company. A mail has been sent from America. What the activities will be performed in the coming years? Undoubtedly, as a head of the organization, you have to give a lot of commitment. The first personal commitment, I will plan huge, massive activities. I will renovate the areas. I will bring the speed. I will advance the factory scenario. I will capture the world quality. I will assemble, accumulate, I will coordinate. I will coordinate the activities. I will inspire our workforces. I will bring all the efforts on a same platform. I will advance the factory activities. On a particular time, speaking, your brain might be out of information. Then this machine is very authentic. Food, education, shelter, housing, health, okay, uh, technology, recreation, global change. Mean for idea generating, when you feel that you are not getting any ideas, you know, I will plan for updating. I will plan for updating technology, and the activities that was taken in the previous year. I or we will keep advancing. We will be we will be activating our workers' mentality. We will uploading new mechanism. We will advancing our activities. We will be inspiring our workers. We will be penalizing the bad workers. We will be awarding our good workers. We will be selecting the better. We will be um, progressing our activities. We will be importing product or accessories from outside. We will be welcoming new customers in our company. We will be welcoming energetic workforce from outside. And you know that at the same time, within two next 5 years, we will have advanced our technology. We will have captured a new environment. We will have reached a new market share. We will have upgraded our productivity. We will have completed our activities. We will have করে থাকবো, করা হয়ে থাকবে। This is করব, this is করতে থাকবো, this is করা হয়ে থাকবে। We will have migrated our bad workers to the different factory. We will have imported the better materials from outside. We will have recruited our good workers to the different. We will have trained our workers from the outside country. We will have upgraded our technology. We will have coped our existing workforce to the changing global environment. You know, we will have given a new space for our workers. We will have authenticated our workers' health. We will have advanced our workers' mentality. We will have trained up, we will have educated all the deprived workers. We will have we will have boosted our deprived and weak workers. Okay, and that all we will have facilitated. Facility. So the verb of facility is facilitate. We will have facilitated all types of workers. We will have amazed our workers' mentality. We will have revolutionized our premises, our factory environment. We will have secured our activities. We will have brought newness in our company. So speaking and speaking, you might be tired of speaking. Okay, these all are personal speaking. But the American authority might be tired of listening I or we, because American authority concerned, this is the factory of 50,000 people. So this is not question of I or we. American authority, the head office will expose darkness that is that the company one related to the I or we? No. That time new tricks could be taken. What is the new tricks of commitment? These are the commitment. The new tricks of commitment will be, so this is korbo, this is korte thakbo, this is kora hoye thakbe. So when you become tired of speaking, new tricks of speaking kora hobe. Kora hobe is fully corporate speaking, making a wall, welcoming new workers. The matter of appointing brilliant officers, the matter of appointing, you are watching, verb plus ing, the matter of appointing new officers will be ensured. This is I will, this is we will, this is more personify. These are the more specific and these are real. But when you become average, when you become escapist, mean kora hobe, keba kara korbe, this is the tricky talk. Okay, many this is accurate, but this is the corporate, this is the business talk. And kora hobe, ten kora hobe. So this is korata kora hobe, and applying new mechanism in the factory, will be ensured very quickly. And new methodology being added to our factory. So this is verb plus ing noun, and then will be blah blah. But this is noun plus being plus verb ed. You are watching, this is two mechanism. This is korata and this is hoata. And new materials being imported, nuton materials import hoata will be observed by the higher authority. And quality materials being justified, ভালো ম্যাটেরিয়ালস জাস্টিফাইড হওয়াটা, তার মানে আপনি এটা ইউজ করবেন অথবা এটা ইউজ করবেন, দ্যাটস আপ টু ইউ. সো কোয়ালিটি ম্যাটেরিয়ালস বিং জাস্টিফাইড উইল বি করা হবে, উইল বি ensured by the head office. Gojamil deoda, I mean the fake or unreal activities being given, being supplied or being done in our factory, unreal activities being done in our factory, এটা একটা নাম, will be avoided strictly. I'm telling, unreal activities এর একটা noun, unreal activities being being continued, unreal activities being continued, এটা একটা বিষয়, unreal activities being continued, বুঝতেছেন বাংলাটা? আনরিয়েল অ্যাক্টিভিটিস মানে ভুল অ্যাক্টিভিটিস ক্যাম্পাসে চালু হওয়াটা, ফ্যাক্টরিতে চালু হওয়াটা উইল বি অ্যাভয়েড করা হবে স্ট্রিক্টলি। মাই ভিডিও ইজ গেটিং লঙ্গার, সো আই এম গেটিং স্টপড হিয়ার। সো অ্যান করা হবে, ত্যান করা হবে, করতে থাকবো, করা হয়ে থাকবে, তারপরে করা হবে, শুধু করা হবে। Because when you are blank, when you are not getting any new ideas, when the head office is getting bored listening your I or we, this is the very very popular structure, will be the very corporate structure, official structure করা হবে। Okay, so this is verb plus ing noun, করাটা করা হবে, এটা নাউন প্লাস বিং প্লাস ভার প্লাস ইডি, হওয়াটা ও করা হবে। সো অ্যান করা হবে, ত্যান করা হবে। দিস ইজ ভেরি ইজি, ভেরি অথেন্টিকেটেড অ্যান্ড ভেরি পপুলার ফর দ্য কর্পোরেট ওয়ার্ল্ড, ফর দ্য অফিসিয়াল ওয়ার্ল্ড, ফর দ্য গ্লোবালাইজড ওয়ার্ল্ড। থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ।